Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, we are going to talk about Railway Recruitment Board. There are vacancies for Chief Law Assistant, Public Prosecutor, Staff and Welfare Inspector. I have briefly discussed the exam pattern yesterday. In this video, we are going to further discuss the syllabus of all these three recruitments. So starting with exam pattern, this is the common computer-based test. There is negative marking of 1/3% for every wrong answer. Professional ability will have 50 questions of 50 marks. Then general awareness, general intelligence, reasoning, maths, general science will have respective these questions. So professional ability has 50% weightage and the rest of the topics together has 50% weightage. Then coming to the syllabus of rest of the subjects is common. Mathematics, number systems, BODMAS, decimals. This is all the syllabus for mathematics. Then general intelligence and reasoning, then general awareness, and then general science. So this is syllabus of common subjects. Going ahead to the syllabus of professional ability for respective recruitments. For staff and welfare inspector, you have to focus more on labor laws and labor codes. So the first topic is industrial relations. In this, there is Industrial Dispute Act, Indian Trade Union Act, Industrial Employment Standing Orders Act 1946. There are 9 to 11 questions in this. Then Social Security legislation. This includes Workmen Compensation Act, Employees Provident Fund Act, Employees State Insurance Act, Maternity Benefit Act. Here also you can expect 9 to 11 questions. Then laws relating to wages, Minimum Wages Act, Payment of Wages Act, Payment of Bonus Act, Payment of Gratuity Act. Here also 9 to 11 questions. Then legislation affecting conditions of work. This includes Indian Factories Act, Mines Act. Then basics of computer and computer applications. This will majorly include questions from input-output devices, MS Office. Then Right to Information Act questions could be there, and new pension scheme related 1 to 3 questions could be there. So this is the entire syllabus of Staff and Welfare Inspector. This is a limited syllabus. You have to study majorly the labor laws, labor codes, new pension scheme, basics of computers, Right to Information Act to prepare for Staff and Welfare Inspector post. Coming to the second, which is Chief Law Assistant. This has huge syllabus and you can see how the questions are divided. So topics are also mentioned from every act: Indian Constitution, Administrative Law, Jurisprudence, Law of Torts, Hindu Law, Code of Civil Procedure, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam, Indian Contract Act, Limitation Act, Specific Relief, Indian Partnership Act, Arbitration Conciliation, Consumer Protection, Protection of Human Rights, Transfer of Property Act, Right to Information, Company Law, Labor Laws. All this have to be studied for Chief Law Assistant. The number of questions from each topic are also mentioned, what all you can expect and what is the weightage of various topics. Then coming to Public Prosecutor. This post requires 5 years of experience and these are all the topics that you have to study for Public Prosecutor. Legal concepts, criminology and penology, general principles of crime, general exceptions under Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, offences against human body, offences against property and other offences, criminal justice administration, principles of evidence, constitutional rights of the accused and arrested, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita and Railway Protection Force Act, Railway Act, Railway Property Unlawful Possession Act. So these all acts, these are all topics you have to study for Public Prosecutor post. These are mentioned in detail in the notification PDF. I have attached that in the description. You can download from there and you can check out this syllabus in detail and you can see which all posts you are eligible for and apply for those posts. As of now, that is all. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.